Hello guys, it is Patty with Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a lemon meringue pie. And I need to give credit where credit is due. I got this recipe from over at Becky at The Hillbilly Kitchen. I will provide a link in the description box and at the end of the video. The actual lemon part of the pie is her recipe. I'm just changing up the crust and I'm putting meringue on ours. So what we're going to do now is, let me tell you what it's got in it. I'm using lemon cream sandwich cookies for the crust. You need some butter for the crust. I'm not going to be adding any sugar because I'm going to leave the lemon sweet stuff cream in its middle. You're going to need the juice, a half a cup of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice preferably, and a tablespoon of lemon zest, a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 8 ounces of cream cheese that have been softened, and you need the egg whites for the meringue part. Tony's going to be doing the meringue later on. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get up here and melt the butter for the crust, and we'll come back to do the crust, and then we'll mix up the lemon part. Be right back. Okay, we are back. We're going to try and make this, what do I call it? Do crust. God, I've never done this, so pray for me that we get this right. Yeah, probably. Alright, let's go make the noise. Be with you. Oh my God. Huh. Oh well. Nah, I think a couple more because this is a deep pan. Guess you gotta be smarter than it, sorry. I got into these last night. They're pretty good with the milk. Okay, let's see how we got. Oh my God. Guys, this thing is probably about 10, no not 10, because Tony bought it for me, but I know it's a good 8 years old. We just don't use it. I have had 2 little mini choppers, but Tony broke the first one, I broke the second little thing so it goes in, so that was impossible. Alright, I'm going to put this back in on here. And I'm going to add the butter. I really don't know how to use this damn thing. Pardon my French. Hold on a minute, we may need some surgery. Be right back. Alright guys, it was a major blonde moment. The only thing that was wrong was it came unplugged a little bit. Alright, let's get some butter in here.
You got to close the lid.
Alright, I'm going to do the rest by hand. Let me get this out of here and I'll put it in the pan. Be right back. Okay, guys, I got it. It's not perfect. I will admit something to y'all. I am a cook, and I think I'm pretty good, but I am not a baker. I take simple ways. I'm sorry, but I think it's gonna work. It's in there. Alright, now, let's get started on this part. Well, let me see, I need a knife. Well, I do. Alright, make sure you've done your cream cheese out. I put it out last night because I knew it would be soft because I'm in South Carolina and my AC is on. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I want that thing on. It's been over 100 degrees every day this week. And it took 2 lemons, but our lemons were pretty big to get the half a cup of juice and the tablespoon of zest. I'm gonna put this down and wait, I'm gonna add the lemon juice and the zest. Let's get that mixed in. That's half a cup of lemon juice, and that is fresh lemon juice. That's all I would actually probably make. I mean, I guess you could use the other stuff. It is supposedly real lemon. The zest is very important. Zest is where all your good stuff comes from. Makes it a stronger lemon, and we want a stronger lemon. Alright, I'm going to get this started, and then I'll slowly add the sweetened condensed milk. And you do need to make this in a mixer. You can use a hand mixer. I will tell you something, Tony is my meringue maker. That's a major fail for me, is meringue, so he's the one that's going to do the meringue after this sets up. I'm going to scoop the rest of this out. I'm not going to sit here all day watching it. I got a story to tell y'all. On one of my sandwich videos, I got a comment on it. And it was a friend of mine that I have known since 4th grade. I had lost touch with her. She's from Walterboro, but she doesn't live in Walterboro. I had lost touch with her because she left Facebook, mainly because of all the drama. And I was just so excited to hear from her, and it made my day. She's been watching my videos. It's just funny how life is sometimes. You run into people you haven't met. So I just want to say hello. Hello, Tammy. It's been a long time, and I love you, girl. Alright, let's get back to this. Now, we're going to want this really mixed very well. You want to try and get all the lumps out, but it may be a little lumpy because of the zest in it, but nothing major. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos today. Today is the 4th of July here. Of course, you won't see them until next week. But I'm going to be shooting about 5 more videos after this. And tomorrow morning. Alright, I'm going to scrape it down. Maybe. So that everything hopefully gets incorporated real good. I'm going to let this run about a one more minute. It's looking really good. You can smell the lemon in it too. I realized today that I told Tony the only thing I've ever used my mixer for since Christmas was to make bread. So I've never used the wire whisk or anything, just the bread hook. Alright. I do believe this is going to be done. Yeah, that looks good. Oh yeah. You know, with the sweetened condensed milk being the only sweetener in it, it's not really heavily sweet, which is good. Alright, I'm going to pour this into my pan. Years ago, I used to make something similar to this with, I think it was lemonade concentrate and sweetened condensed milk and Cool Whip. And I will admit that was very, very sweet. Now Becky over at Hillbilly Kitchen decorated hers with whipped cream and some berries and stuff, and I bet you could basically do whatever you want to top of it. But we're gonna do the meringue. Alright, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 3 or 4 hours, and we'll be back when it sets up to make the meringue. See you later. Hey guys, I had a brain fart. I was manning the computer. Well, not the computer, but the camera. And I wasn't recording, and I thought I did. So, here's what happened. Tony made the meringue. Look how beautiful that is. That man can't boil water, but he makes a mean meringue and great scrambled eggs. Anyway. And I browned it under the broiler for a minute. And here is our lemon cream pie. Lemon meringue, sorry. And I want to thank y'all for joining us. If you're new here, take a look around at my other videos and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you in the family. If you like what I did, give me a big thumbs up. Comment. Share it out on your social media. And we will see y'all later. Dessert's ready.